So time for a giveaway, and we've got two giveaways to do today. And the first one is a £50 toolkit video. Go and watch the video if you don't know what that's all about. I went round a local car boot sale, putting together the best toolkit I could for £50. And to be fair, I was expecting good things, and it exceeded my expectations. I ended up with a really, really good toolkit. Some amazing brands of tools, not just a good, well-rounded toolkit. Go and watch the full video. It was a pretty cool hunt. But as part of that, I picked up these toolboxes for £2.50 from ITS. I got an extra 5 for the giveaway. I also got a load of torches on my travels, an aluminium torch, and I got this grout removal kit as well. And I got 5 bundles. So we're going to draw the 5 winners for that. Let's pick the first winner. And it's Russell Mumford, and he says, think you're missing a square. I know you've got an adjustable, but a roofing square is a very useful tool. Yeah, fair play. If I'd seen one, I think I could have included it. I ended up with a combination square, and it was from Ox Tools as well, an Ox Tools combination square. I think that's a pretty good multifunctional tool, and I was quite happy that I found that. But good idea, Russell. And you've won the first kit, so we'll reach out to you, get your address, and we'll ship this over to you, this little bundle. Next winner, we've got Eric Dalbert, and he says, nice deal on the toolboxes. I did the same thing with one DeWalt box, great idea. So what he's talking about there is that if you go on power tool retailers and dealers' websites, go in their clearance section, they quite commonly have this style of blow molded case. And what you'll notice is, in the inside, there's some plastic molding, some ribbing, and it kind of makes the toolbox hard to use, so they sell them for really cheap. These were sold at £2.50, and there's loads of versions. Eric's mentioned he got a DeWalt one, and I've had a few Milwaukee Fuel boxes for like next to nothing in the past. And in that video, I use a multi-tool to cut the insides out, put a shadow foam insert in it, and turn it into a really high quality budget toolbox. So I'm glad you enjoyed that, and you've been doing the same, Eric. So that's the second winner. Let's go for the third one. Third winner is Matthew Rooks, and he says, I'd love the toolbox as mine just broke, and I'd love this drop. Well, there you go. Happy days. Sounds like that'll be very helpful for you, Matthew. So you're the third winner. Let's go for the fourth one. It's B. McDonald, and he says, auto hammer. That little short video we did has done really well, and essentially I found a hammer with like batteries to go in it, and I've still to this day have no idea why you need batteries in a hammer. But if anyone out there can help me out and tell me what that was, I'd love to know. I wish I bought it. That's my only regret. I wish I'd have bought that, because then we could have figured it out with the items still here. But there we go. Fifth and final winner is Chairboy Rules, and he says, fantastic, my first video of yours that I have seen, some great bargains there, subscribe now and can't wait to see what you do next. Happy days. We'll get your address, ship this out to you, and congratulations to all those 5 winners. That is the car boot sale giveaway done. Next up, we've got the installer show giveaway, and this was a bit of a swag pile, to be honest. We got loads of stuff. Let me go through it. So first off, we got the Unilite swag bag with a Unilite head torch. We've also got the Rotenberger multi-tool. Now this was a great little pickup because it was £10 per multi-tool, and all of the money went to their charity. We also got the Weir bottle opener, which I thought was a nice little addition. We've got a few other little novelty things. Pink duck seemed to go down well in the comments. Stress ball, the kind of stuff you get at a show, but some really good belting stuff there, including a Band of Brothers t-shirt as well, which is a charity that I love, supporting men's mental health within the trades and within the industry, and helping out in loads of different ways. We've got 5 of their t-shirts from the store, and all of those are in the giveaway too. So nice little bundle. So we'll go for the first winner, and that is Blue Pig Adventures, and he says, those torches look great. Thanks for the video. Well, thanks for the comment, and congratulations, you're the first winner of the installer swag bag. Second up, we've got Colossal Titan, who simply says, cool content as always. We like to keep the cool content coming. We've got loads of cool videos coming up. We've got a few that I'm working on at the minute that are really exciting. So congratulations, second winner. Let's go for the third one. Third one is Jose Cal, and he says, here are some brands who have pink tools. Bosch, IXO, WorkPro, Swisstech, High Spec. So out of those, I did find a WorkPro knife and a Bosch bit kit, and that is for our ultimate pink toolkit. This is a long form project. It's been taking me a while, finding really high quality pink tools to put together the ultimate pink toolkit. Is a bit of a labour of love, and I don't think you'll see it until next year, but I have been teasing little bits as I get them, and as pink tools turn up and I find some good stuff, I do share it on Instagram. So make sure you're following shadow_foam on Instagram, and then you can see all the behind the scenes pickups. So thanks for the comment, Jose Cal. Let's go for the fourth one. Okay, next up we got Bob X. That's a name I recognise. I see your comments quite often, Bob, from Western Supermare. So it's great that you've won. Congratulations. And you've said, I'm a Unilite freak. So is my granddaughter. I have to buy more now, Bob. Thanks very much for your comment, Bob. And we'll be getting a swag pile out to you. So congratulations. That's the fourth winner. Let's go for the fifth one. And that is Henrik Moberg, and he says, love the inspiration. Got some shadow foam 2 weeks ago and just getting started organising. Cheers from Norway. Norway, that's a country we've not visited yet, and I'd love to go to. Some of the Baltic states and Benelux around there to try and see it. What other tools am I missing? We've been to France, we've been to Germany, we've been to Spain and America. Let me know where I should visit next. Maybe it's Norway, but congratulations to Henrik. We'll get a swag pile over to you. That's all the giveaways. Congratulations to all of the winners, but don't worry if you've not won, because we've still got loads of giveaways active on the channel. All you've got to do is click back through our videos, anything after the installer show has pretty much 9 times out of 10 got a giveaway in there. So watch the video. If you enjoy it and you fancy the giveaway that's in there, drop a comment, talk tools. I do read all of the comments and I reply to as many as I can, so don't miss out. Go and enter all of our giveaways. Enjoy the videos and let's get back to it.